going to the track, so we got these beefy little guys. Let's take these beefy guys out, go downstairs, take off the single TCS muffler, and then swap it out with this and see if we can fix the tip. So this is how it currently looks. Doesn't look bad, looks really nice. It's reinforced in the bottom, had it extra welded, but you know, just to free up some extra horsepower and just to try something new, we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I just got it done, and look who showed up just in the nick of time, my wife. She's really smart because building this car, I always get frustrated and I need someone to yell at, so she's learned to
when he's done.
She's learned to run off, so I have no one to blame except for myself.
You got your butt grabbed. Are you not wearing a diaper? Oh, you are? Huh? Wait. Look at those vans though, man.
Kicks of the day.
All right, so there it is. I've got it pretty much on there. Now I just have to fasten everything, lower it, and then fix these things that, you know, came from the shipment like that. Really heavy. Could have used a little bit more packing. I am mad at you, Ty. But yeah, so we'll finish this off and see how it looks. So this is the kit I bought from Amazon. It was about $110. And it comes with the traditional tool, this one. It has these extra rings. So let's give it a try and see if it works.